Am I the only one that didn't know moving could be this easy for pets? Here's how to keep your furry friends stress-free. Moving can be super stressful for our pets, but we've got you covered with 10 expert tips to keep them calm. Start by introducing moving boxes early. Let your pet sniff and explore. Stick to their regular feeding and exercise schedules as much as possible. On moving day, consider boarding your pet or have them stay with a friend. If they must be home, set up a safe room with their favorite things. Use calming pheromone sprays like Feliway for cats or Adaptil for dogs. In your new home, unpack their essentials first, keep their routine, and spend extra quality time with them. Gradually introduce them to new spaces and reward them with positive reinforcement. It's all about making the transition smooth and stress-free. Happy moving, and here's to a calm and cozy new home for you and your pet.